In this video, I'll show you how to create logo on Shopify. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have this product image and it's actually not a logo. So if I want to actually create a logo, what I can do is I can head over to another tool which is called Canva right here. So I can click on the search bar that they have and search in here for logo. So once I have searched for that, I should be able to see all the logo templates that they actually support. So they have this thing. You can also have this blue-white circle as well as this one or this one as well, or anything that is actually defined by you. So for me, I like this one. So I'll head over and click on this. Click on this customize this template. And then this will open your Canva design right here. Now in here, you can actually use the template that they have for you. They also have this one. So let me just zoom in and I have this right here. So I will change the text for this one. I will add in here tiara and I will make this smaller in order to fit this. So as you can see, this is what it will look like. And I will also be able to resize it just like this. Now I also have this one. So I'll put in here tiara store. Now this is what it will look like. You can also change out some few more things in here if you want. So for me, I'll actually satisfied with this. So I'll head over and click on the share. And then for this one, click on download. And then in here, I'll only download the current page that I'm in. Click on done. And then I'll download this as PNG. Click on download right here. As you can see, it will download the actual picture. Once it's done downloading, I need to head back to my Shopify and then click on my customize right here. And then this will open in here my Shopify editor. Now on my Shopify editor right here, I have this particular logo that I don't really like. Click on this second logo, which is theme settings. Click on this logo. Click on this change. Click on select from library. And then click on this add images. And then let's try to add the one that we have just downloaded, which is this one. Click on open. And then as you can see, it will upload. Once it's done uploading, just click on this check mark and click on done. Then as you can see, it will load like this. So what you can do is you can head over and save this progress. And it will take some time for this particular image to change. But once it's changed, as you can see, it has now reflected. So let's head back to my store and let's try to refresh it. And as you can see, the logo has changed as well. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.